dedication. Ajitha is also an angel investor in budding stage high-tech companies started by students and young engineers. She serves in the board of studies at various engineering institutions, nurturing young talent. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Ajitha Kumari.
Very good morning. On behalf of Divikan India, I would like to really invite everyone. And my talk is going to be on why and how of Divikan India. So this is going to be a brief agenda. What is Divikan India, followed by evolution, and maybe a couple of stats and overview of day 2. We had a very grand day 1. Lot of keynotes and interesting insights, and then followed by high content technical tutorials and innovative talks. What is Divikan India? So the semiconductor industry in India is 30 years old with the start of TA, base in Bangalore, as well as a couple of defense setups. So the industry is very young and it is very dynamic. We have right for more. We have to go away in terms of there is a road ahead for us to really travel and gain insight and a lot of rooms for innovation and on R&D activities. Right. So make sure ecosystem. We need, for that, we need very quality conferences. So it's not only the work, we need a platform to share our innovations and findings and experiences to share with, and also to nurture the next generation. So let's see the history behind Divikan India, the scenario of semiconductor industry in India. So there is VLSI conference, which is happening in India for more than 25 years now. This is basically started with academic background, and from 2012 there were some industry tracks as well. And there are a little bit neutral events, vendor neutral events like smaller events, that is one of like DVM, that is design verification, methodology, that was one get together that happened. And UVM Model today, and then HASCAP. So these are basically vendor neutral ones and smaller events, one-off events. And let's see, there are couple of events, major events like, which are driven and sponsored by EDA. Basically, vendor-specific events like SNAC, CDN Live, and then Meta YouTube, and DV Club. It has happened since 2000. It's more than 10 years of history it has. And what about then a bigger, huger platform, like vendor neutral, but it should be a continuous one as well. But this is happening in US and Europe since 2000, so this is quite popular and very successful. And like conferences like DVCon and that. But similar, it's not really happening in India. I think that sets a stage for Divikan India. So that's a background information on Divikan India. So today we are celebrating the birthday of Divikan India. So I welcome everyone to really share that moment. Yeah. So behind the screen there are a lot of work, and it's much effort. It's not only from us, it's also from the community. The community makes it as a grand success. Okay. So here's a bird's eye view of the event, the complete two-day event. We have keynotes and sponsored tutorials as well as invited talks and invited tutorials. I think keynotes yesterday was well appreciated. I hope everyone was there, and then it was really interesting. Keynote by Valorance and Mahesh. It is tremendous. It was I loved the technical that they delivered. And today, of course, we have Janik here on this. We'll be having shortly, and as well as Vishwas from Tata Motors. And we'll be having from NEC as well. So yesterday we had the sponsored tutorials from Mentor, Synopsys, CBC, HCL, and Dollars, ASTC, Circuit Sutra, Synopsys, and Tronophores, and Calypso. And we also, right, I will be having invited talks from Smart Day, I think it was yesterday, and from Bosch. And we'll be having invited tutorials on extra standards like right, IPXAC, and also right, System CTL and part 1. So that's really the right 10,000 foot view of things for these 2 days. Okay, so I don't want to really write in the morning, I don't want to really take much of time, but also write dump you with all the statics. It's just a glimpse or a snapshot of it. So here are the number of submissions that we received for the right, first in Conference of Legal in India. This is the first year, and we see this quality submissions from you, all of you. It's 143, and it was accepted only 53. So you know the ratio and the competition that builds, and the pressure is on you, it's not on me no more. Right? And the reviews, that speaks the quality of this conference. And yeah, so we had a nice, interesting day 1, and here is a glimpse of day 2. After my talk, I'll either, right, there will be Accelera overview, and it's going to be followed by keynotes, panel. We'll be having a panel, right, on the interesting topics, as well as DBCon case. Basically, we have 2 tracks, DB as design verification as well as ESL. So there will be, track-specific papers, posters, and tutorials, which will be spreading across multiple sessions, and followed by the Best Paper Award and the closing ceremony. So this is the stage for day 2. Okay. So this is what we can leverage out of today. And this is, as I said, DBCon is happening this year in India. And okay, then what's now? It's going to be only this, it's going to be one-off event, or it's going to be beyond 2014 years. This is a good start, 2014, but it needs to be followed, right? And then momentum is given, it started, but we need velocity to really, to bring into continuous into multiple events. And we need to make it big, maybe multiple, technical tracks, and then a lot of committees and a lot of technical good work. And we need volunteers, reviewers, chairs, and whatnot. We need all your contribution to support this, and then to take this as a big event. And then you can write to us to DBCon India ORG. And so I would like to end my talk with a word of thanks for everyone for the sponsorship and an organizing committee, and for all the good work that is put together. Thanks for your time here.